James claim tail gunner on. So the guy is dead in the water. And the thru sounds like in the throat. So it sounds like we need recovery on James claim. Sounds like a guy can't get his Jeep started.
Copy. Recovery Rich here's, but I am in the back of the line on Recon. I cannot get there anytime soon.
I believe we're open. Yes, I did a recovery on a Jeep behind me, and we're moving again.
Is that the blue Jeep?
Is this where they're having the problem with James claim too? No, there's a dead vehicle on James claim. They said the engine won't start.
Okay, James claim is he's unstuck and we're moving again. Okay, copy.
Well, I just heard on the radio they're moving again, so I don't know. All right.
That's struggling on this one hill.
On my way out there right now.
Alright, James, claim ride, you're good. CJ's back on course, getting to the hill.
John Brown trail, got him backing up to that guy. I don't know if you've heard that before. What's that?
Recovery staff, to clarify, we have people on site at the disabled vehicle.
Control green. We'll work around them. Back and we'll take like 4 minutes to finish once we